So Alex, first thing first, how do you like it here in the cold in Canada?
I'd rather the heat of Rio de Janeiro.
You're facing Gunnar Nelson, who is very calm and you are very aggressive. How do you think your aggressive style will match up with Gunnar's calm style?
Well, I don't know how he's going to stay calm. I'm really aggressive. At the heat of the moment, he's probably going to get into it too.
You're always very relaxed before you fight, dancing to the cage and stuff like that. Why do you stay so relaxed? Is this your way to deal with the nerves, or are you really just this relaxed?
I'm natural. I take this to sport. It's my work. It's just the way I am.
And you've been very active in your UFC career. This is your 14th fight in 3 years. How are you able to stay so active?
I'm a guy that likes to stay fighting. I like to stay active. I've always worked. This is my work, so I like to come to work.
And how do you see the fight play out tomorrow?
Como que você vai ver essa luta transcorrendo amanhã?
Não, com o gongo suar, meu irmão, o pau vai cantar.
He said, when the sweat coming, it's going to hit the fan.
Thank you for the time.